Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your TCL 605. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. It's very important to use a non-metallic tool because whenever you use something with metal, then you can only damage the port and it will be much worse, or you can completely damage it and it just won't be even savable. So make sure to clean it with a soft brush, for example. And what you guys can do is open up your phone and test your microphone in the recorder app, or simply call somebody. So as you guys can see here in the tools, we do not have anything, like we cannot even check, and that's why, and that's basically how we know that there's no recorder in the phone. So all you guys can do is either download one, or you guys can basically test it with a call, because here we have the phone and we can call somebody and test if it works. Now what we can do is we can update our software to fix any mic glitches. So if there are some mic glitches in your phone and your friends tell you that you're either too loud, your microphone is noisy, or that it's just muffly and there's barely no sound, if any of those happen to you, then updating your software could fix it. So go over to settings, and here, let me just leave here, we will have the main page, and now we need to scroll a bit down until we see the system. Now here we need to click on system update and it will automatically check if we have an update available. So as you guys can see, my system is up to date. I'll double check it for you guys. And if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's worth it. You guys can fix a lot of glitches. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.